Hey guys, I am in Puno right now, and this is kind of the main square here, and I am going to show you the city a little bit, and I think it is a quite nice city. It is not very big, but it has a lot to offer. I'm having my drone with me because I want to show you the lake Titikaka, which we are visiting today. And I think I'm going to get a tuk-tuk or moto taxi to get to the lake, and then we are going to do a drone flight there. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, this is the reason why you should never look at your phone in South America, because you could just simply fall down this fucking cliff here. I was looking at my phone, but I always look at the street every 2 seconds or so, and then I saw this and I was like, oh shit, man. So yeah, just go over it and just keep going, guys. As always in Peru, a lot of stray dogs. But these, whoa, fuck those taxis, man, I swear. Jesus. There's a weird kind of building here. Weird looking. With a guy sleeping here. Some sort of pool. Huh? The hell is this, man? I want to check this out. Let's take the steps here. What are they doing? There are some people with matching tracksuits. Maybe they are a dance group or something. Not so easy to get up here. Hola amigos, ¿qué es eso?
¿Esto?
Eso, sí.
Es resbalador.
¿Por qué?
Porque se resbala.
Ah. Con rollerblades.
No, así, sentado.
Ah, así.
Sit down.
Ah, okay. Guys, I'm just going to try that now. Guys, it stinks here. Boah. But I'm just going to try this shit now. Super fucking random, but I'm going to do it. Oh, that's really disgusting. Oh shit here. Hola amigos.
Buenas morning. Good morning.
All right. I'm just gonna try it now. Okay, amigos. Listo. That was funny though. Kind of was funny. I have to find a tuk-tuk to get me to the lake, because to walk it is like 20 minutes, but if we don't find a tuk-tuk, then I will just walk. Unfortunately, there's always somebody sitting inside. Yeah, this one is empty. Hola, ¿está libre?
Sí.
Quiero ir a Lake Titikaka, por favor.
Muelle, ¿cuánto muelle?
Sí.
¿Ya?
So we are in the tuk-tuk now. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás?
Yo estoy bien, está de frío un poco, está nublado.
Ah.
Sí.
So a guy told me that it's not called Titikaka Lake, but Lake Titikaka. So you have to say it like this, Kaka. Yeah, that's the real name of the lake. And yeah, driving around in the tuk-tuk, you have a interesting view. You can see Puno city a little bit. There are a lot of other tuk-tuks as well. Gracias. Necesito pagar.
Hola,
Hola.
buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
¿No van para las islas, a los Uros?
Ah,
Capitales.
estuve aquí. Sí.
¿La visitó?
La visitó, sí.
Mañana Taquile a Mantan.
¿Cuánto? Gracias, señor.
Al Lago Mayor podemos ir.
Lago Mayor,
Sí,
¿qué es
lago-
eso?
Lago Mayor es donde el lago grande. Pasando los Uros. Cerca es penínsulas, es más lejos.
Más lejos.
Más
¿no?
Uros está cerca, muy cerca Uros. Podemos ir cerca a las penínsulas.
Ah,
Sí, es lago abierto, así el lago es azul. Porque el lago
¿y qué es
Titicaca,
posible ver aquí?
ver en el lago Mayor solo las islas que no visitan el turismo.
Ah,
Hay otras islas son pescadores, cazadores, recolectores, sí. No llega el turismo ahí.
Ah.
Normal.
ok, gracias,
Sí.
amigo.
Ya, de nada.
Nos vemos.
Ya. ¿De qué país?
Alemania.
Ah, Alemania. Donde hay Mercedes-Benz. Nosotros tenemos Mercedes-Benz, el lago Titicaca.
¿Tienes?
Sí.
Oh,
Pasión
ya,
Mercedes-Benz.
yo conozco.
Sí, el Mercedes. sí.
Estuve a este
Ah,
Mercedes-Benz.
nosotros tenemos
Sí,
igual
con los
Mercedes.
chicas y los niños.
Ah, ya. Ayer ha hecho Mercedes, sí.
Gracias, amigo. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Rubén,
Rubén.
yo soy de los Uros, soy de la
Soy
comunidad.
Valentín.
Ah, ya.
Nos vemos, amigo. So he wanted to sell me like another tour, and but I basically don't have time for it. And actually, I already did a tour, so I just wanted to come here and do a drone flight. But it looks like a construction site again, like the ones in Lima. I'm gonna find a way close to the beach, and then oh, I think I can get through there. So this is the lake Titikaka. And I think it looks quite cool with the hills and the building in the background. I wonder what is he doing? Probably just chilling. Yeah, let's get closer. Here you can take a boat if you want to. Oh, falcon. Ah, never do photos with those. Please never do that, because those poor falcons get their feet tied together so they cannot fly anymore, which is kind of cruel. So don't do pictures with them, please. This whole area here is beautiful, guys. It's beautiful here. I really like it. Isn't it nice, guys? What a nice view. Wow, guys, what the fuck is this animal down there? Is this a guinea pig, man? I think it's a guinea pig, yeah. A wild one. Again. Kind of lives down here at the lake. Oh no, it goes away. Oh, it's gone. Isn't it funny? The second guinea pig that I saw here in South America now. The first one was in Rio, so watch the Rio de Janeiro videos and you will see a wild guinea pig there in the jungle. There's also a bunch of birds, seagulls and different types of birds. Alright guys, I think this is the perfect place to start the drone. So I'm going to do that here at this nice place at Lake Titikaka. There we go, guys. I mean, it really looks like the perfect place to do it.
Possible you can look over there, the Bolivia.
We are just floating.
Oh, what's up, Capitan? What's up? Okay, so
I think the boat will crash.
but so probably in this moment an hour tour is finished. No, now we need swimming in this moment. Okay, so now just a couple of minutes, please, because I have to the hour, Capitan. Okay, what's up?
That's how a boat looks. And that's how a crash looks. I swear I have luck with boats all the time, because all the time when I'm in a boat something goes wrong.
No, you should have told us that.
I told you it was a bad idea for them to play Titanic music before going here, yeah. What exactly is he doing?
Sorry?
What is he doing exactly?
He's a spring of waters.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the water is not to go out, because always in the motor in need water is get out.
Yeah, yeah.
For that, probably now it's stopping,
When I did it later without
and then she's spring more water for.
As long as we are not sinking, everything is alright. ¿Qué tal, capitán? ¿Todo bien? Es listo. Our guide is also driving now. The engine is still not working, guys. Yeah. We are stranded again. Stay tuned. So there's our rescue boat.
Yeah.
It's small, but
Yeah.
fast.
Like
a lightning.
But it's a speedboat for us. Yeah.
Female power.
Yeah.
What did you say? Female power?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh yeah, we're swimming.
Okay, swimming now. Okay, so
Let's
now
go.
I introduce to her. Her name is Lina.
Lina.
She's our captain's wife.
My sister is drowning.
Lina.
With us
Save
now,
us.
okay? So friends, now again. Now you can look at those plants. Its name is Totora. But so basically that plants are growing in the shallow parts. From the marshy places between the 4 meters deep. Down there to the 4 meters in the
So we arrived at one of those floating islands now, and it looks very cool here. As you can see, here's a great symbol. I'm walking on this stuff and it feels kind of weird. You sink in a little bit.
Okay, sorry friends. Now first I say you welcome to the Uros floating islands. Now it's possible you can read over here. Uros Island Pato Corazon. Pato Corazon is the name of this island. So for cook their food they can use that ceramic stove. But so never they can put over here. You imagine when they put over here and also they make the fire. It's possible to burn all the island.
Hello. Oh my god, so cute. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Raquel.
Ah, Raquel. Hola Raquel. So great. We are going to ride the Mercedes now.
Puedes subir al segundo piso,
El
normal.
Mercedes.
Mercedes
Gracias.
de los Uros.
¡Qué luxus! ¿Es posible ir?
Sí, normal.
¿Sobre?
Este es para 8 personas.
Ah. All right. There we go. What a nice view. Be careful.
That's the Mercedes.
Yes.
Okay, way better view.
Thank you.